guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending the time and the country you're watching me from. It's Akaliche Vlogs. Please go to YouTube, search it, Akaliche Vlogs, you'll find me there. Like, share, subscribe, watch my videos, and I'll be so grateful, guys. Thank you so much for my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for my new subscribers. May God bless you and reward you and continue protecting and guiding you guys. Thank you so much for going through my channel. Just picking a video, sharing, posting again, and subscribing, making your girl grow. It makes me so happy. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So today I have a new vlog for you. Today I have a new vlog for you. As you can see there, I'm preparing beef. That's red meat. I'm preparing beef. And for this, you can even see how I'm cutting it. It means the recipe is going to be legit. The recipe is going to be on fire. So guys, I'm going to make this stir fry. Yeah, I'm going to stir fry this. It has been a while since I have eaten a stir fry beef, so I'm going to stir fry this. I'm going to stir fry it. So I'm cutting. After cutting, I wash it very well, and then I add some water, and then I put it to my stove to boil. I will boil it first. I'll make sure it boils first, and then after that we'll continue. We'll put whatever we were supposed to put, and then we'll continue from there. But you can see from the cutting, it means today is that day. Today is that day. So welcome guys, please continue subscribing, liking, sharing, and supporting your girl here. I'll be so grateful. Please just go to YouTube, search it, Akaliche Vlogs, you'll find me there. Like, share, subscribe, watch my videos, and I'll be so grateful, guys. I'll be so grateful. So let us do this recipe and see how it will turn out. So I'm almost cutting. I'm almost with my cutting here, because I want it to be in stripes. Yeah, long stripes. So I'm done with my cutting here, and now I will wash it. After washing, and then we put it to boil. You will put it to boil, guys. So let us see and let us continue. So guys, I've already put it to boil. And now it is done with the boiling. You can see now the water is over. It's now using its own oil to boil. And if you want your stir fry to be juicy and sweet and yummy, please, when you buy, you can add just a little bit the oily part, the fat part. Yeah, you can add the fat part. You can tell the seller to add just a little the fat part. It will help your meat to be juicy. Yeah, so make sure when you buy your meat, you tell the seller to put just a little bit fat. Yeah, the fat part. and then it will be so juicy and so yummy. So you can see mine here, water is over, the boiling water is over. Now it's using the fat part. Yeah, it's using the fat part of the cow that was inside. So I'll let it deep fry itself to some goldish, and then we continue from there, because right now I'm chopping the onions, the red capsicum, the yellow capsicum, and the green capsicum. I'm preparing those. You can see now, guys, you can see still uses the fat part of the cow, but also I'm going to add my oil. As you can see here, I'm adding my oil. And so you add your own oil, your cooking oil, just enough, the one that you feel it will be enough. Just add in like that. After it has fried itself with its own oil, yeah, you add your own oil. You add your own oil, and then you start to make sure everything is evenly. Make sure you see the way other parts are brown, goldish brown. So you have to stir in and make sure oil is evenly, cover it for a little bit again. Let your oil cook, let your oil cook with your meat to enter in very well. Then cover it again. Just allow your oil to do the work. You see the way it's turning goldish. Yeah, even the camera is not doing the justice, guys, the camera is not doing the justice here. So this is soy sauce, this is Santa Maria soy sauce. So I'm going to add my soy sauce in, just enough. I'm going to add my soy sauce in, just enough. And then also I'll add what we call craving. This is what called gravy browning. This is called gravy browning. Just adding the flavor to make it sweet, to make it more juicy. Yeah, make it sweet and to make it more juicy. And also I'm going to add vinegar. And for the salt we are going to use this, but if you have the normal salt, it is good to go. I love the herbal salt because it has so many spices in, natural spices in. You see the way my meat is looking. It's already looking yummy, and the aroma, wow, the aroma is so yummy. So here is my vinegar. I'm going to add just a little bit to cut off the oil, too much oil. Just a little bit to cut off too much oil to make everything balanced. And this is oregano. I love my meat when it has oregano. I love it. This is oregano. Just again. and you can let this simmer for 5 minutes and take it the way it is. Yeah, but for me I want to spice this a little bit with natural spices. I'm going to add onion. These are 3 onions, normal size 3 onions. This is 3 onions, guys, normal size 3 onions. You stir until you feel that they have mixed well, until you feel they're evenly. You stir until you feel they're evenly. Stir very well, mix it very well. Mix it very well. And from here, you can either cover it, let your soy sauce, your oregano, your vinegar, your onions simmer, everything balance, and you can just continue by putting your natural spices. As for me, I'm going to put this. You see the way they're colorful, they're very colorful and attracting. I'm going to add that, and then you stir it until they mix well. You stir until they mix well, and then later we will cover it, but just continue stirring. Continue stirring like that. Continue stirring like that. So I'm going to add, because it is beef, I'm going to add this. This is Majano spices. It has ginger, it has natural, so many natural spices. And also I'm going to add beef masala, because this is meat. We are going to use beef masala, but this is optional. This is optional. You can add if you want, but if you don't want, you can just take it the way it is. This is optional, guys. And you mix. You see the meat has absorbed the soy sauce and the gravy seasoning. It has absorbed it. You see, it has absorbed it. You don't see any soup. It has absorbed everything. So you'll add just a little water. Little, when I say little, it is little water too, because you want to cover it to let the capsicum cook, to let the capsicum cook, or to let the capsicum relax. Just a little water, add little water there, you see, just a little, and then you cover it. And then you cover it, you leave it for some 8 minutes. The capsicum will be ready, because our meat is already cooked, guys. The meat is ready. The only thing now we are cooking now is those capsicum. We want them to cook just a little bit for 5 to 8 minutes, and then I think we will be done. As you can see here, and you can see the color of our onions, the color of our capsicums. Oh my god, looks yummy. And the aroma, oh no. So this is the last spice I'm going to add. This is the last spice, 2 Royco cubes. I'm going to add 2 Royco cubes like that. and two the cubes there, and then you mix until you feel everything is fine. You see, it has no soap. It has absorbed everything. The meat has absorbed everything. Yeah. So you mix the spices that I've added, and then you put off your fire. You mix it very, put off your fire. I have already turned off my fire. My fire now, it is turned off, and our stir fry beef is ready. Oh my god, guys, I wish you were here. I wish all of you were here, guys. You can take this with rice, you can take this chapati, you can take this with spaghetti, or you can just take this with wine. Yeah, just relaxing somewhere with wine and with this. Oh my god. You see, it looks so yummy. It looks so yummy. So that is it, guys. Please go to It's Akaliche on YouTube. Please like my video, subscribe, please share, and I'll be so grateful. Please support your girl here by subscribing. I'll be so grateful, guys. Thank you so much, and let's see each other in the next vlog. Please, bye bye.